Hello and welcome to the QN version 6.0 basic tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you how to get a calculation up and running and the steps involved. To begin with, let's click on File and select Open. This will provide you with a range of examples ready to choose from. You can also input your own molecule of interest, but in this example we'll use C3. Click on Open. Selecting file names containing SE will use the static exchange calculation, and those with SEP stand for static exchange plus polarization model. This brings us to the first step of the process, which allows you to define your molecule. As we already selected C3, QN has already filled in this screen for us, but you can also enter the formula of your molecule of interest into the text box manually. Click on Next when you're ready, and this will bring you to the Set Isotope screen. Here you can either use the most common isotopes option, which is what we will do, or you can choose the Select Isotope option. This allows you to use specific isotopes of your choice from the drop-down menu. This brings you to the coordinate entry screen. QN uses the Cartesian geometry to define the positions of atoms in your molecule. This can be imported from either Quantemol Express or external sources such as the NIST database. To find out more, you can watch our tutorial videos on Quantemol Express and the NIST database. I'll pop links to those videos in the description box below. If you have the geometry of your molecule in bond length and bond angle format, please contact us at support@quantemol.com and we can convert the geometry for you. When you're ready, click Next. This brings you to the Symmetries Definition screen, which allows you to visualize and set your molecule's symmetry. By doing so, you can speed up calculations by eliminating redundant atoms. When you're ready, click on Next. Now you'll be brought to the electronic structure screen. Here you have the option to specify the electronic configuration manually. If you select too many electrons, you'll be alerted, as you can see. And likewise if you select too few electrons. In this example, we're going to select the option to optimize electronic configuration automatically, and click on Next. This is the target model screen, where you'll be allowed to pick the calculation type, model, and basis set. Calculation types include electron impact and photoionization. Calculation model includes static exchange and polarization, and configuration interaction. The complexity levels increase as you go down the list, and to find out more about the basis sets, we do have a basis sets tutorial video which I'll also put into the description box below. This next screen allows you to alter the scattering parameters, such as electron scattering energies and the R matrix radius. If you've chosen configuration interaction or static exchange plus polarization, you can change the computation parameters too. Once you're ready, click on Next. The 8th step is for additional QN functionality. For example, if you wanted to calculate dissociative electron attachment and elastic high-energy cross-sections. This additional functionality will add to the calculation time, and you can get in touch with a member of our team to find out more using the contact details in the description box below. The 9th step is an advanced settings screen. For cases where you'd like to vary some additional parameters, there's also a question mark on most screens that you can click on to find out more about the options available. When you're ready, click on Next. And now you're ready to save and run your calculation. And that is how you get a calculation up and running. If you'd like to find out more or learn about how to interpret results and troubleshoot, please see our other tutorial videos. You can also get in touch with us at info@quantemol.com to arrange a web demo.